Before any company scales to mass production, there's prototyping to learn about and test designs in the real world. At this key stage, Proto Labs lives up to its namesake and keeps evolving to be among the world's fastest and most comprehensive providers of custom parts. Since being founded in Minnesota in 1999, it's been sharpening the craft of rapid custom prototyping and low-volume production, catering to industries such as medical, aerospace, automotive, electronics, and industrial machinery. Proto Labs contributed to the shift in 21st century manufacturing by using technologies like AI, automated quoting, and a digital manufacturing model which reduces lead times and enhances efficiency. Initially focused on injection molding, Proto Labs expanded to CNC machining, 3D printing, sheet metal fabrication, and in 2021, integrated a global network of manufacturing partners via its acquisition of 3D Hubs, now Proto Labs Network. Proto Labs' digital platform allows customers to upload 3D CAD designs, receive instant quotes, and select from various manufacturing processes and materials. This approach enables rapid prototyping and flexible production with no minimum order quantities required. Proto Labs offers a highly automated process, reducing reliance on skilled labor and accelerating production speeds. It's known for its ability to produce custom parts quickly, serving over 48,000 customers annually, including many Fortune 100 companies. And with over 60 patents and trade secrets, it keeps a sharp edge to stay competitive. Carrying over to its striking financials, Proto Labs' most recent quarter represents how well it's carving out its niche market share. It exceeded analyst expectations, reporting revenue of $136.5 million, up 12.1% year-over-year, and adjusted earnings of 44 cents per share, beating the forecast of 35 cents. The growth was largely driven by a 25% year-over-year increase in CNC machining revenue. For 2026, growth of 6 to 8% is expected. Backed by the tailwinds of trends like labor shortages, supply chain flexibility, and shorter product life cycles, all of which create demand for faster and more agile manufacturing solutions. Proto Labs is expanding its offerings to include full-service production, providing volume pricing, quality control, and industry certifications for large-scale manufacturing needs. This expansion complements its rapid prototyping capabilities, enabling Proto Labs to support customers through the entire product life cycle, from early-stage prototyping to end-of-life product support. Its AI-powered platform, ProDesk, accelerates innovation by offering real-time quotes, design for manufacturability analysis, and seamless collaboration for project teams. Proto Labs' growth strategy revolves around improving customer experience, maintaining a healthy pace of innovation, and driving efficiency, made possible by a combination of in-house manufacturing and a global partner network that positions it to deliver exceptional speed, quality, and flexibility to its customers. Additionally, Proto Labs has continued to innovate with the launch of advanced CNC machining services, which provide high-precision parts with fast turnaround times and new AI features in its quoting platform to further streamline the manufacturing process. So while this little protozoa doesn't always share the spotlight with the companies, it helps to reach efficient manufacturing at scale. It keeps evolving at speed to quickly become a part of more positive products that shape the world. It's kind of like how stock chart platforms and analytic tools quietly help many market watchers in the background, especially TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.